In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Internet Explorer cannot display the web page error. This is a common issue that usually appears when you're trying to open a website and Internet Explorer just refuses to load it. Instead of the page, you get that message saying it can't display the web page. In most cases, this is related to your internet connection, your network settings, or configuration inside Internet Explorer itself. I'll walk you through a clear, methodical way to troubleshoot it, starting from the simplest checks and moving toward the more specific fixes. First, make sure your internet connection is actually working. Try opening another browser, like Microsoft Edge or Chrome, and load a couple of different websites. If those pages open normally, that tells you your internet connection is fine, and the problem is specific to Internet Explorer. If nothing loads in any browser, restart your modem or router, wait a full minute, and then try again. It's also a good idea to quickly check if other devices on your network can go online, just to confirm it's not a wider connectivity issue. Once you know your connection is okay, come back to Internet Explorer. Click the Tools menu or the gear icon in the upper right corner. Then choose Internet Options. On the General tab, clear your browsing history, temporary internet files, and cookies. Old or corrupted cached data can sometimes block a page from loading correctly. After clearing that, close and reopen Internet Explorer and try visiting the same site again. If the problem persists, go back into Internet Options and open the Connections tab. Click on LAN Settings. Here, make sure Automatically Detect Settings is checked, and if you're not intentionally using a proxy server, ensure the proxy option is unchecked. Incorrect proxy settings are a very common cause of this error. Click OK to save your changes, then OK again to close Internet Options and test your web page. Next, check the Advanced tab inside Internet Options. Click the button to reset Internet Explorer settings. This will restore default configuration, disable add-ons, and undo changes that might be interfering with your connection. After the reset completes, restart your computer, open Internet Explorer, and see if the page now loads. Finally, if you're still seeing the error, temporarily disable any firewall or antivirus software just to test. Sometimes, security programs can block traffic in Internet Explorer specifically. If the page works with the security disabled, re-enable it right away and adjust its settings or consult its support. By following these steps carefully, you should be able to resolve most Internet Explorer cannot display the web page errors and get back online.